Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to build a charity donation tracker in Python. This is a simple program that lets us log donations, view all contributions, and even check how much a specific donor has given. Perfect for beginners to understand lists, dictionaries, functions, and loops in Python. So let's dive in. First, we need a place to store all the donations. In Python, the easiest way is using a list. Each donation will be stored as a dictionary containing two things: the donor's name and the donation amount. So right now, donations is empty. Later, when someone donates, we'll add their information here. Next, we'll create a function called log_donation to let users enter a new donation. Functions are great because they keep our code organized and reusable. Inside the function, we ask for the donor's name. Then we ask for the donation amount. We make sure the amount is positive and numeric using try_except. So whenever someone donates, their name and amount are saved in our donations list.
Next, we want to see all donations in one place. For that, we'll create viewDonations operator. We first check if there are any donations. If not, we tell the user no donations yet. If there are donations, we loop through the list using enumerate to display each donor and their amount. We also calculate the total donations collected. This way, anyone can see how much money has been collected so far.
Sometimes we want to know how much a specific donor has contributed. That's what donor summary does. We ask for the donor's name, then use a list comprehension to find all their donations. If donations exist, we sum them up and show the total number and amount. This makes it easy to track each donor's contributions.
Finally, we need a menu so users can interact with our tracker. They can log a donation, view all donations, check a donor summary, or exit the program. We use a while-true loop so the menu keeps showing until the user chooses to exit. Finally, we tell Python to run our main menu when the script is executed. And that's it. We now have a fully working charity donation tracker. Users can log donations, view all contributions, check individual donor totals. You can expand this further by saving donations to a file, creating a GUI, or even adding charts to show contributions visually. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on what projects you want to see next. Thanks for watching.